Hi, welcome to Quick Maths with Jesse. In this session, we're looking at something a bit different. We're looking at 8 revision tips for GCSE Maths. It can be tricky to know how to do maths revision. However, there are some revision techniques that I have found really helpful for a lot of my GCSE Maths students. Number 1, know your awarding body. Knowing your awarding body is very vital because you can understand your curriculum better when you know your awarding body. A lot of GCSE Maths students actually do not know their awarding bodies until they sit the actual GCSE Maths exam. So there are 6 main awarding bodies in the UK. We have the AQA, CCEA, City and Guilds, Pearson Edexcel, OCR, WJEC. Know your curriculum. When you know your awarding body, it makes it easier to understand your curriculum. And when you understand your curriculum, it facilitates your revision process. Set SMART goals. SMART goals are very useful in setting goals and mechanisms that will help you fulfill or achieve such goals. If you see SMART is in capital letters, it's there for a reason. Each of the letters stands for something. S is for specific. So when you set a goal, you have to be specific. Instead of setting a goal that is vague, set a direct goal, a specific goal that has a specific target. In this case, getting a certain grade in your GCSE Maths. And make sure your goal is measurable. You can actually say, this is where I started, this is where I am now. I didn't know how to do Pythagoras, for example, before. Now I know it. I didn't know how to do functions. Now I know. Make sure your goal is attainable. What that means is a lot of students make goals that ain't possible to achieve. Goals that are too big or goals that are too small or vague. So be careful to set up a goal that is achievable. Even though you want to push yourself to the limit, you still have to be careful to make sure your goals are achievable. It is very important to direct your goal in a way that is relevant, to direct the process of achieving your goal in a relevant way. Your process has to be directly relevant to the goal. So when you set goals, make sure all the processes are relevant to such goal. Time bound. Timing is very important in achieving goals. Setting a time for yourself would help you organize yourself, organize the process involved in achieving the goals you have set for yourself. Create a revision timetable that's linked with timing. Creating a revision timetable will enable you to organize the process. It will enable you to manage your time and manage the process. So creating a revision timetable is very useful. So when you do your revision, the timetable will be there to guide you. If you're doing a specific topic now, you stick to it. If it's time to do something else, you stick to it. So it's a time management approach. Familiarize yourself with practice papers. Practice papers are very useful because they give you a taste or an idea of what those questions, GCSE questions, may look like. So getting yourself used to past papers would actually prepare you even better remember theories and formula. Theories and formulas are very vital in mathematics. Having a good understanding or a good knowledge of theories and formulas would facilitate your reaction time. Reaction time is very important. Apart from reaction time, it gives you a good understanding of the idea behind specific topic. So remember theories. When you forget theories, practice them. Practice formulas, and the more you do, the more you remember them. The more you practice theories and formulas, the better chance you have to remember. Focus more on what you do not know. I sincerely encourage everyone to focus on all aspects of the curriculum, but let your focus be more on the things you don't know. A lot of students focus on what they know, keep solving problems that they already know. Solve problems, so work on topics that you do not understand. Focus on those ones, and that would help you achieve your goal even better. So when you do your revision, take topics that you do not understand, try to get your hands on them, solve those problems, get good understanding, use every resources available to you. So have some good rest, because when you rest, you refresh your mind, you refresh your memory. You need a break, you need some rest. So thank you for listening, and I hope you have learned something new. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.